Impossible! A new Pokemon! So fast! It arrived so early! And the game hasn't gotten the chance to be released. I got the new information on this Pokemon. His name is Cyclizar. He's one of the new Pokemon for Scarlet and Violet. I heard that this guy's a dragon type. Got it. Here's his feet. Alexa, what is he who walks behind the rose?
Children of the Corn.
Got it. Here's his body. Here are his fingers. I should change the name to Evolve Designs. Alexa, name a few reptiles that live in the desert.
Here's something I found on the web. According to reference.com, the desert is also home to reptiles such as the cobra, chameleon, sand vipers and crocodiles in areas where there is an ample supply of water.
There we are. That's how you draw a Cyclizar. That's one of the new Pokemon for Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Along with a new power-up, Terrestrializing. I heard there's going to be a new Pikachu coming out. One that knows fly. There are other Pikachu out there who know how to use Surf. Consider this one of my favorites. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.